Abebembeza abahingwizo nchwamweji ni President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wa Uganda, William Ruto wa Kenya, Salva Kiir Mayardit wa South Sudan, Samia Suluhu Hassan wa Tanzania. President Yoweri Museveni agizire ngo kwegita hamwe ka Africa nugwo mbazi gwonka ogurayambe kumaraho ebizibu eby'amahanga ga Africa garukorabamu no kwetungura.
And after that we are going to be launching the Raila Odinga for AUC Chairmanship website. Makofi.
Najangwa amahanga gine kwerekerero kurwanisa obworo ekizibwe cyagizire ngu kicyumbagiza amahanga ga Africa kurugera kimwe omu myaka ya 1965.
I was coming here to support Right Honorable Raila because he's a candidate who is fit for this job. Because it is a job of vision, it is a job of conviction, it is a job of knowledge. So therefore, on top of the patriotism, you love Kenya, you love Uganda, you love Tanzania. Why? Because you need them, you individually.
Salva Kiir Mayardit n'aba president abandi basimire President Ruto ahabo kutahentekateka eyambere kuhinguza Raila Odinga okwesimba hantebeji kandi yahamya kumuha obushagiki.
I want to commend President Ruto for demonstrating leadership and courage for Kenya to nominate Right Honorable Raila Odinga as the region's candidate. My presence here today is to confirm that South Sudan's endorsement of this decision is in place.
I know Baba Odinga, my kaka, not only as a wise statesman, but also as one who can make a strong case in advancing Africa's development priorities. As such, we firmly believe that he has what it takes to transform the vision of the Assembly into tangible outcomes for our people.
President Ruto na Jang Raila Odinga aina obukugubona oburukwetagisa kuba chairman wa African Union Commission kandi ahigire kumushagika kwika ha businguzi.
The Honorable Raila Odinga possesses the professional capacity and experience, a proven track record of transformative leadership, and a wide experience of accomplishments at the national and regional levels.
Ombigambo bya Raila Odinga asimira obushagiki obwabebembezi bamuhire kandi yahamya ku okwegita African Union nugwo muhanda oguragiyambe kutunguka mangu.
High speed fiber optic network, and then to facilitate faster communication. Then the issues of air transport. Air transport is a major challenge in the continent. We were talking about open skies to make air transport easier. Today, traveling across the continent is too expensive. You have to get permits to fly over countries, delaying movements, and make it too expensive. Flying over Europe is much easier than flying over Africa.
Omugandi abakazi abakristayo mbureberezi bwa Bunyoro Kitara bashabira okutambura mu mbeera erikwesemisa barikwebembeza ekitinisa n'okukwatanisa n'abashaija babo. Bigamirwa ha mukoro gwo kujaguza ekiro kya Mariamu n'okwakira abakazi 15 omu kigombe kya Christian Women Fellowship ahal St John Church of Uganda.
kuba abatebeeka abakazi abakristayo omwibale ekisitwe ery'omwana ery'omwoyagwera akalweru emusatiketeetu amuna akabonero akatukulira kukuba tusoke kulungi mukomasizeyo kyokwe ebitwalalira abali kugonzebwa tuja kuteeka mu nkola.
Reverend Katie Chiza Amoti wayebembiremu okubuulira ashabire abakazi okutambulira mu mbeera erikwesiimisa. Johnson Kusima orumukuru w'abakristaayo hamwe na Harriet Tumsime bagambira habukuru bw'okukuza ekigombe eki.
Ekitebe kindi tukuli ky'okujwara gomasi za green n'emyuka yellow kwonka kikumanyisa ebintu bingi nk'omukazi omukristaayo. Omukazi omukristaayo agonza Ruhanga we.
Omukoro gubandize n'okukumba na bandi omutawuni ya Kinuubi. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.